Hey everyone, welcome back to our C# series. Today we're talking about something super simple but absolutely essential: comments. Think of comments as little sticky notes in your code that help you and others understand what's going on. Let's now understand why comments matter in code. Comments explain why you did something so future you or your teammates won't scratch their heads. It improves the readability of the code. Good comments become part of your project documentation. If you need to explain an algorithm you've developed, comments are the first place to start. Comments are a lifesaver when debugging. You can instantly disable code by commenting out lines. Now, we'll look at the types of comments available in C# and go through examples of each. Use single-line comments when you want to add a quick note beside a single line. Everything after the 2/ is ignored by C#. Notice how I'm using single-line comments. When I run this program, C# ignores everything after the double// and only prints "Hello World" to the console. What if you want to add more detail to a comment that might span multiple lines? You can write it as shown on the screen. Here you can start every line with single-line comment. But there's another way to do that. You can start your comment by adding /* and then span your comment in whatever lines you want and then end the comment with */. Here, ignore the second line as it was not colored in green. Looks like this is an issue with the online editor I am using. When I run the program, you can see the multi-line comment is ignored by C#. The third type of comments we have in C# are XML comments. XML comments start with //. They're placed directly above classes, methods, properties, etc. Use XML tags like summary tag, param tag, returns tag, and more. Visual Studio reads them to show tooltips and build external docs. Here, in this example, you can see the add method in the bottom is using the XML documentation comment. Now, if I mouse over on the method, the Visual Studio shows me tooltip, where I can see the exact text about the method which is added as a XML comment. In similar way, if I mouse over on the WriteLine method, it shows the tooltip with the XML doc added for the WriteLine method. And that's a wrap on comments in C#. We've covered single-line comments, block comments, and XML documentation comments. It's your toolkit for making code readable, maintainable, and professional. Remember, good comments explain why, not what, and keep your future self and teammates smiling.